Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Today, we're going to learn about one of Allah's most beautiful and special names, As-Samad. Are you ready? Let's discover what makes this name so amazing. Allah's name, As-Samad. As-Samad means that Allah is the one everyone turns to when they need help. He doesn't need anything from anyone, but we all need Him for everything. Isn't that wonderful? Let me tell you a little story. Imagine a young girl named Amira. One day she lost her favorite toy and felt very sad. She remembered that Allah Samad is always listening. So she made a dua and asked Allah to help her find it. And guess what? She found her toy under her bed. Allah heard her and helped her feel better. As-Samad is strong, kind, and never gets tired. He listens to everyone, everywhere, at any time. Whether you're at home, at school, or playing outside, Allah is always there for you. Here's something amazing to think about. Did you know that Allah can listen to millions of people all at the same time? He never misses a single prayer or wish. How incredible is that? So remember, dear friends, whenever you need help with anything big or small, you can always turn to Allah, As-Samad. Let's say together, Ya Allah, As-Samad, please help me and guide me always. Keep this beautiful name in your heart and never forget that Allah is always with you.